I don't like the rain. Is actually in a cryogenic chamber frozen. He wanted to preserve his body after he passed away, so he pays, had a fund set up and pays for himself to be cryogenically frozen. Now, if I actually, when this was in liquid form, if I actually stuck my hand in here and held it there for a while, it would be very painful, it would burn. And then hit my hand on the step you're sitting at, it would shatter like glass, all the way down to where I froze it. Anybody ever watch Terminator? Yeah. Right, the second one, the liquid metal guy, when he starts walking and he walks in that vat of liquid nitrogen and he stops and his leg like snaps. Okay, the metal guy, because that was liquid nitrogen. So it was so cold it froze up and snapped his leg. Another fun fact about liquid nitrogen, but this is not really good. Have you guys ever eaten those Dragon Ball things that they have at the malls or at the carnival, things like that? They're called Dragon Balls. They're these porous, like kind of like cereal-like balls or puffy. Don't eat them. All right. I know if you have, don't do it again. So apparently these people are they're not scientists. Okay. So they dip these porous balls that you can eat in liquid nitrogen. They put them in a cup and they say, "Okay, eat it. Have fun." Well, they're porous, so they actually trap some of the liquid in there. And when you eat it, you're actually swallowing the liquid, and it can burn the interior of your throat. So think about burning yourself on the stove or a curling iron. You know how you get those awful blisters? Okay, that would be in your throat. Not to mention that they can trigger asthma attacks. So just think about that before you guys do that, before you put that in your mouth, okay? Any questions on what you saw? So yeah, it was kind of like a little bit of a bomb, liquid nitrogen bomb. The bottle blew up, taking the water, propelling the water into the trash can, and the force was so strong that it shredded the trash can and the bucket.
No, bucket survived.